Hi, I am Mick, Mick Manila, no? I am a licensed real estate broker. And then sa mga medyo nagtatanong paano ba ang magbenta ng mga properties, no? Technically, you are in the right group because you are in-house marketing arm and you are selling exclusive Vista land projects. And particularly, I am handling right now the projects at San Jose del Monte. Isilingit ko na rin po yung Antipolo City. So, if you want to learn paano ang tamang pagbibenta, ano ang pamamaraan na parang pag-assist sa client,
Yes, ma'am.
To give pointers, ano yung magandang counseling. So, technically, I could help you on that. So, joining our team can make also parang magkaroon ng career path to have a profession here sa real estate industry natin. And again, nandito po ko sa actual subdivision natin at Camellia, Monticello, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So, kita-kits mga taahente, and I hope marami na po talagang mag-join sa amin sa team na po namin. Asia Plus Corporation po, Prima Team.